I'd like to talk to you today about the right to repair. A lot of people take for granted that when they buy something, they'll be able to repair it, or at least take it to the technician of their choice to be repaired. But increasingly, that's not the case. I'll give you an example. My wife has a fairly new car, and we have to take that car to the dealership to get the oil changed. That drives me nuts. We paid for the car. I think that we should be able to change the oil ourselves, or at least take it to the corner auto shop. Unfortunately, the machine tool industry appears to be following the path taken by the auto industry and the consumer electronics industry. They're shifting their business model so that more and more of their revenue comes from servicing their, or I should say, your equipment. So at Tormach, we design our equipment to be user-installed, user-serviced, user-maintained, and user-upgradable. And that's what the right to repair means to me. It means that when you buy this equipment, you own it. You're not stuck with some service key. You're not stuck calling a factory-approved technician. You actually own the product, and you're able to do with it what you want. We do this in order to help people make things. That's our mission at Tormach, helping people make stuff. So, user serviceability, in my mind, is a huge part of that because it keeps the cost of ownership low, and a low cost of ownership is what helps people be successful with our equipment. So imagine, if you will, buying a CNC machine and having the control frozen in time at the moment you took that machine home. That seems insane to me. You're locking your customers out of further improvements or even bug fixes to that software. Now, we release new PathPilot updates every month, every 2 months. Sometimes they're just small fixes that have been reported by customers that we've gone ahead and fixed. Often, it's major enhancements to our software. And this software it's available to people all the way back who bought our first equipment. PathPilot automatically updates itself. But those updates are provided to you in the easiest way possible and at no cost. And that's the way it should be. I think in this day and age, it's almost criminal that some manufacturers charge thousands of dollars for software updates to their controls. These are complex systems. Occasionally something may break. We realize that, and we want you to be successful fixing it yourself. We use, to the extent we can, industry standard components inside our machine tools, and we maintain a stock of replacement parts for every tool we've ever made. We have fantastic technical documentation that walks our customers through replacing a worn out component. And we couple all of that with free web, email, and phone-based technical support. We have machinists and engineers who will pick up the phone and talk you through some of these problems, and we've done this for the life of the machine. This is not in your first year of ownership, we'll talk to you. This is a lifetime technical support program that we have. I want you to know that we at Tormach really care about this. We care about the right to repair. We care about enabling you to upgrade, maintain, service your equipment. It's important to us, and it's not an accident that machines that we sold 15 years ago, the very first PCNC 1100s that we sold, are still in use today. So if you'd like to find out more about the right to repair and Tormach's approach to the right to repair, please check out our webpage, linked in the video description below. Thank you for watching.